Looks like today's my lucky day. My bike just arrived. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing unboxed, get it together, and start some riding. And I'll let you guys know whether the money was worth it or not. Hang on. So it looks like we're going from this Harley over to this e-bike. Guys, I'm getting old and I'd rather deal with something less hassle and safer. People out here don't care about you on these streets. They'll run me down on that Harley. Not only that, it's too heavy. So we're gonna get this thing unboxed and see what's going on. So let's go ahead and get this started. They packed it really well, just like I did my wife's, which hers came in on Thursday, mine today. So we'll go ahead and get this party started. It's always that level of excitement when you're doing this stuff. At least for me it is, being retired, sitting around here with not too much to do. Have I mentioned how happy I am to have you guys come along with me on this journey? Well, you can't tell.
In the garage.
I am.
Don't forget to open the garage door on your way out.
There goes Alexa. Never a dull moment, huh? Okay. Let's see what we're working with. As before, his accessory box with the charger, pedals, and all that good stuff. The hard part always is getting everything out of here. Just the free rearview mirrors that they gave me. 2 of those. It's out the way. Now, just like before, the hard part is cutting all these tie wraps. You got it wrapped down pretty good. Trash, trash. Trash. I'm gonna see if I can lift it out all in one piece. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. It's pretty heavy. Here we go. Everything's out here. All we gotta do now is cut that thing apart and get it put together. Let's see how this goes. Fun. Trash. 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 Here's the front fender. We'll put this aside safely over here. Trash. Trash. Here's a free lock that came with it. Isn't that nice of them? Okay, let's get some protective wrapping off of it. I got the blue one, and my wife has a purple one. I wanted a black one, but all the black ones were gone, and it was like a package deal. This is what they had, so sometimes we really can't be choosy for what we get, especially when we're getting a good deal. So that's what I got.
Someone is in the garage. Don't forget to open the garage door on your way out.
This can be time consuming taking everything off of here. Whew. Let's go ahead and get the front tire cut away, so I can at least get that going. Here's the seat. Pretty nice and comfortable, air cushion. What we got? Okay. Got the front tire cut away. Just gotta air it up. Disc brakes, of course. Guys, it's always something. So in the grand scheme of things, I got it all put together, but there's one critical issue that they got over on me with. Now I got to go back in, get in touch with Actbest customer service and see why in the hell this happened. And I will show you what happened. Upon getting everything together, look at this. I can't even turn the steering because the collar is here to tighten it, but there's a little plastic piece that goes on here that kind of squares it off. Right there, it's kind of hard to see, but that's missing there. So no matter how tight you tighten this collar here, it's not gonna do anything. But other than that, hell, I can't even tell you how I'm gonna, what the ride is like. All I can say is if I turn it on, let's see. It does turn on. The lights work. The horn works. It's got the tail light that works. Let's see. Brake light works. Put the lights off. You got the brake light. Okay, I'm happy with all this. Let's go ahead and pull this off. That's fine and dandy. Display works, but hell, I can't ride it. What do I do now? I get online and try to find out if they're gonna send me that plastic piece and what they're gonna do about it. Other than that, it's always something. The one I got from my wife is just A-okay. I don't know, guys. What do you think about this? What would you do? Would you try to send it back? Would you try to maybe rig it up somehow so we can ride it for now? I don't know. I'm lost for words. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I don't know if I want to get another Actbest bike or not. The price was good, but oh well. Thanks, guys. Follow me, and I'll let you know what the outcome was on this one. Bye.